There are companies that spend billions of dollars just to keep you entertained, you know? And Mother Nature is sitting out here looking at you like, are you not entertained? Ha ha ha! Your boy Sinash here. Get outside and talk to somebody. Get outside and hear somebody out. Just get outside and look at a squirrel. Look at the birds flocking. Look at the birds eating. Listen to the birds chirping. Listen to the insects doing whatever sounds they do. All this electronic reality we're living in, man, is turning us into digital zombies. Not us, them. Turning them into digital zombies. I know some of y'all see it. A lot of shit is not right out here in this reality. And that's due to the fact that people are not paying attention to what's around them. Mother Nature is simply calling on you right now to just pay attention to her. Show her some attention, some affection. There are companies that spend billions of dollars just to keep you entertained. And Mother Nature is sitting out here, you like, are you not entertained? Simple as that. Mother Nature entertains me every day. I live the minimalist lifestyle. I don't mind going outside and just sitting out there for an hour, 2 hours, observing. We are observers, observationists. That stuff just boggles my mind, how people could just really be out here programmed. But I see how it happens. Companies spending billions, believe it. And you're not gonna find self in this digital matrix you're living in. You don't come out into nature, feel the air, the breeze on your skin. The animals, they'll come and talk to you, man. They'll come look at, you have to play your role in nature. You get what I'm saying, people? And if you're sitting in the house in between four walls, digitally getting programmed on that TV or on your phone, you're missing out on the beauty of life, man. People don't get it. Lose the distractions. Number 2, pay attention to your surroundings. Number 3, get in nature. Go out and touch a tree. Go out and hug a tree, man. Take your shoes off, walk in some grass without the rubber on your feet. I do that all the time. Look, I'm doing it right now. Don't laugh at my crusty toes. I can't afford no petties and minis right now. Come outside to nature. That's who we are. We're nature. It's divine beauty. You already know what it is. One